What's up guys? This is my first camera. It's a Canon ESO M50. It's a mirrorless camera, and this is my first time doing the video, and it's actually pretty good. I can see the autofocus so good that I can see my face clear. I'm watching the World Cup right now. I'm not there. And I don't have a tripod now. I'm gonna get a tripod so it's actually like so close towards my face. Maybe I can slightly. No, I don't need to zoom. Oh, so this is better now. Way better, way better. So you don't have to just watch my face all the time. And I ordered for the microphone too. It's gonna come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And my bed is so messed, but I can show you what I do these days. So you see a MIDI controller. Here's my laptop, and this is my interface, Scarlett 2i, and I have a microphone here, a studio mic. So basically I've got everything to record a song or make music. I spent almost like yesterday. I also wait till like 5 a.m. in the morning making music. Proszę, juta payo. Punzi. So these are the women's shoes and winners.
이제 캔들이 나오고 이제 더러워서 소스 무슨 거기 원래 너무 안 가지. two states after the investment बनाएको थिए this has only one factory. एउटा फ्याक्ट्री छ कि अन्त क्यालिफोर्नियामा सिराजाको फ्याक्ट्री the only factory in सिराजा. We got two strings. Nice.
Chevy, it's a drop top, bullin' with a thought. She gon' give me top, just one switch. I can make the eyes drop.
Take us in the cover. What was the last one?
Look at this t-shirt. कस्तो रहेछ नि सर्ट कस्तो रहेछ? अहिले हाम्रो रकी
आइसल्यान्ड र नाइजेरियालाई हाल्नु पर्ने रहेछ हौ।
यहाँ पनि दिनु मैले
अस्ट्रेलिया डेनमार्क भन्नु थियो। स्विडेन र तर
अब चाहिँ कपाल गाड्ने बेला आइसकेपछि मेरो होइन त्यसको
अस्ट्रेलिया र डेनमार्क
यसले अर्को दिन बोलाउनु मैले भिन्नाको टिममा पैसा हाल्नु
होइन टाइम
What's up, guys? So this is the longest day of 2018 and I'm here to see the sunset. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I think there's no sunset now. It's already 9:30, so there's no sunset at all. But I'm at the lake shore. It's really nice here today. Beautiful weather. I always like to go to lake shore, like always. Anytime I'm down for the lake shore. So it's 9:30 and everything is beautiful, man. Look at those. What's up, guys? This was the vlog 1. Thanks for watching and feel free to write any comments, any suggestion. I'll make sure to post at least one video a week. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.